I'm going to let you in on this hack as to how to keep this icing light and hold its shape. Hey, welcome back to East West Picayune. This is Janet, and this video is about how to make a delicious whipped light cream cheese icing. And this is sort of my go-to icing, actually my signature icing. I use this all the time for all the cakes that I bake. You can top it over carrot cake, chocolate cake, almond cake, or you can actually whip this up and put it in a jar and keep it in the refrigerator, so you can put it on top of any dessert that you like a sundae or something like that. It is so good and light, and it's not very sweet because I only use about a cup or a little bit over of powdered sugar. And also I'm going to let you in on this hack as to how to keep this icing light and hold its shape when you put it on the table when you're having a party. That this icing is never gonna fall, just like your regular whipped icing. All right, so let's get in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first you need your 2 blocks of cream cheese, which is at 8 ounces each. I have about 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar. You may need more or less depending on how you like it, how sweet you like it, but around about a cup for me. And then next one is your whole 16 ounce of whipping cream, and this is basically 1-to-1 ratio of your cream cheese in a very cold bowl to whip your whipping cream with. And of course the secret ingredient is my Knox gelatin, and you just need about 1/3 of a envelope of a Knox, and then you sort of melt that Knox with a little bit of water, just like that, warm water, microwave it, and that would surely hold your icing peak really well in room temperature. So we're gonna start by whipping this slowly. So you sort of want to whip it until double in size, maybe about a minute. Okay, so now we got 16 ounces of whipping cream, the whole thing. Like I said, this is enough to ice a whole cake, actually a big cake. Now I might have left over for a 9-inch cake. And then of course your bowl has to be cold, so as your cream has to be very cold. I had placed it in the freezer, and then you slowly beat it like this. So it's kind of had double in size at this time, and then now you're gonna slowly put your half of your powdered sugar in. Shake. And I'll put more powdered sugar in. And high speed, okay? Okay, so this is how it looks like, the peak, okay? And when you attain that, you can slowly put your Knox in there, and that would hold its shape. That's my little hack. Secret is out. And I'm gonna continue to beat it just a little bit more. Woo, look at that. Perfect. Now we're gonna fold it into our cream cheese. I guess I'm just gonna use my little whip slowly. You can fold it by hand if you like, or you can fold it with your little whip on a very low speed. I don't know, some baker may not agree with what I'm doing, but you can fold it by hand if you like. Just on a low speed, okay? So you don't remove the air pocket that you just developed with your whipping cream and your cream cheese. Look! I'm gonna taste some. Just enough sugar. Again, you can add more or less sugar if you like, but 1 cup of powdered sugar is just right. There you have it. That's my secret. There you have it. The secret is out. It's actually a little bit of gelatin dissolved in a little bit warm water. That is the secret of how you make your whipped icing. Holds its shape and never gonna fall. So if you like this video, please subscribe to East West Picayune. Click the notification button up there somewhere and put a like. Please comment down below so I can produce more of these videos for you. Until then, have a delicious East West life. Bye! All right. I think it's bad for an amateur cake decorator, but I guarantee you the icing is so good in this pineapple sponge cake. How you like that?
This cake has been approved by the Cake Photographers Union.